VVSM Academy welcomes you to the social science, a mission with a vision. VVSM Academy, Veerbhadraya Demaya, retired Geo-Analytical Marine Chemist, Geological Survey of India, Kalyananagar, Bangalore. VVSM Academy, I am Veerbhadraya Demaya, son of Gopanalli Demaya from Geological Survey of India. Wishing a happy new year 2020 to all of my beloved citizens of Gopanahalli. In the name of Dyamalamba, I am congratulating you in this occasion to start with a mission with a vision. Let us take a mission with a vision to fight against illegal things. Think only the legal ways of life. VVSM Academy, a mission with a vision, a message to my people of my Indian state Karnataka. Welcome to this education-oriented School of Arts and Science to serve rural students community, Gopanahalli, Challakere, Chitradurga, Karnataka. I would like to brief myself. When Veerbhadraya Demaya arrived Bangalore in the year 1980 of 9th May to serve my country and appointed in Geological Survey of India, I have given an opportunity and appointed a technical assistant in the field of geochemistry in the Geological Survey of India. I was a student of science from physics, chemistry and mathematics from the University of Mysore, looking for a job opportunity, not only getting a job but with a zeal, a vision, a dream to establish the educational enterprise. With the blessings of Lord Krishna, obeying Bhagavata, Dharmo Raksho Rakshatihi. VVSM Academy, fast forward to 2018, pretty certain things that I have uniquely located the East meets West. After serving joyfully in Geological Survey of India, Pont IV for nearly 33 and a half years in my esteemed Department Geological Survey of India organization, and retired in the year 31st of March 2013. With my fast forward to my present, got an opportunity to visit Florida, United States of America as a tourist with my family. Meantime, I thought of Vision Village Schoolmasters Academy, who are all responsible for the upliftment of village school children. My dream theatre, VVSM Academy in India, in the name of my great teachers of Gopanahalli. Among them, the prime and the foremost personality, a well-known personality of Sri G.H. Rangaya Gopanahalli, Sri D. Rangappa Gopanahalli, Sri Kammara Marappa Gopanahalli, Sri G. Demaya Gopanahalli, Sri Ramaya Gopanahalli, Sri Marappa Hottapanahalli. These are the important great masters of my life I come across in Gopanahalli. In the name of their esteemed life and the guidelines and the blessings of the teachers, the great teachers of Gopanahalli, I am here with present teachers of my village Gopanahalli. Please come forward with my vision, with your cooperation and coordination. Only it is possible to serve our rural people of Karnataka. Gopanahalli, Reddihalli, Dodderi, Hiremadure, Kaprahalli, Jadekunte, Challakere, Taluk rural high schools. Let us try our level best to give a fundamental education to the rural students of Gopanhalli and other surrounding villages in Challakere Taluk. Let us have the blessings of Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata, Shatrugna, ಹನುಮಂತ ಇವರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೆನೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ಪಟ್ಟಾಭಿಷಿಕ್ತನಾಗಿರುವಂತೆ VVSM ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಯು ಗೋಪನಹಳ್ಳಿ ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ದಿನ ಕುತೂಹಲಕಾರಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಉತ್ಸುಕರಾಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನವೆಂಬರ್ 2018, date 23rd November 2018, Whitestone Drive, Florida, United States of America. We look forward to witness your esteemed presence in the coming days ahead of our proposed VVSM Academy, a unique education trust and a school of arts and science, my grand moment of happiness with my brothers and sisters of Gopanhalli and grand teachers. May God bless them all and my Facebook readers and well-wishers. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನ ಸಂವಿಧಾನ ಶಿಲ್ಪಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ BR ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್ ಅವರ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈ ದಿನ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ದರ್ಜೆಯ ನಾಗರಿಕರಾಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಭಾರತೀಯ ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬ ಗುರು ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ, ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪರಮಹಂಸರು, ಮತ್ತೆ ನನ್ನ ಬಿಲೌಡ್ ಹೀರೋ ನೇತಾಜಿ ಸುಭಾಷ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಬೋಸ್, ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಯಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವೆಂದರೆ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತುರುಕಿದ ಅರಗದೆ ಕೊಳಗಿತು ನಾರುತ್ತಿರುವ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯ ಮೊತ್ತವಲ್ಲ, ಬದುಕನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟುವ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಿಸುವ ಶೀಲ ಸೌರಭವನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸುವ ಭಾವನೆಗಳನ್ನು ರಕ್ತಗತ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತಿರಬೇಕು. ಭಾವನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಅರಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಅವನ್ನು ಜೀವನ ಸೌಧವನ್ನಾಗಿಸಿ ಚಾರಿತ್ರ್ಯವನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡರೆ ಆಗ ದೊಡ್ಡದೊಂದು ಗ್ರಂಥಾಲಯವನ್ನೇ ಕಂಠಪಾಠ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ ಯಾವುದೇ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಪಡೆದಂತೆ. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ. This information is given from VVSM Academy from Veerabhadraya Demaya. For details, contact 9663828848. Date 26 December 2018, Whitestone Drive, Florida, USA, United States of America. I, Veerabhadraya Demaya, son of late Sri Demaya, with a fellow associate teachers, a village school master, is hereby requesting the rural students of Karnataka, India, Gopanhalli, Challakere, Chitradurga, on science, arts, education, which helps you a lot of personal benefits as well as public awareness of present world. My activity in India is going to be start on 5th day of March 2020, that is a new year 2020. The New Year 2020 VVSM Academy, a school of arts and science in Kalyan Nagar, Bangalore, shortly, and a branch in Gopanhalli. The rural students belongs to Gopanhalli, Sanikere, Hiremadure, Kaparahalli, Mirasabihalli, Chauluru, Dodda Ullarti, Nanivala, Challakere, Nagaramgere, and so on and so forth. May kindly be participate in my campaign, rural education. Each one teach art, science and glory, rural Challakere, Chitradurga and Karnataka, India. This is a seminar where I come across in the Geological Survey of India on the subject of atomic absorption spectra photometer in my esteemed department, Geological Survey of India. Along with me, Dr. Rajan Singh from UP, Uttar Pradesh. Both of us are retired now. This is a superannuation of Mr. Veerabhadraya Demaya. After serving 33 years of service in the Department of Geological Survey of India and retired from the service on 31st of March 2013. On this occasion, along with my colleagues, deputy directors, directors, and fellow officers and staff. This is a photo taken in America, Lattus Park, Florida, United States of America. A great memory when I was staying in America. I am Veerabhadraya Demaya, a retired scientist from Geological Survey of India, giving the information from VVSM Academy. Thank you for listening.